everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is a 2020 Lakota Charger C39. So this is a 6'9" wide, 7'6" tall, all aluminum, 3-horse, 9-foot short wall. This trailer is like new. It still smells new. So it's got the big sliders on the rear and on the back door. It does have a power awning. It is all aluminum. It's a lighter weight trailer. This is not a real heavy trailer. Hydraulic jack, 2 propane tanks, 2 batteries. Like I said, it's in excellent shape. There's absolutely nothing I can point out. Nothing. It's got an escape door, 3 drop windows with the bars. Does have the load light on the side, rear, and the other side. It's got a rear collapsible tack, 3 saddle racks, bridle hooks, brush box. There are no tears, no scratches, no dents. There's nothing wrong with this trailer whatsoever. Fully lined and insulated horse box, roof vents. Lower divider, padded dividers, and all these dividers are in excellent shape. Again, this trailer is like brand new. We just washed it, so you'll see some water in the floor. We just washed it today. Walk-through door. So this is a 9-foot LQ, but this 9-foot LQ does have a large fridge. It does have a small couch that makes a bed. All right, so as you can see, big fridge. Cabinets above the couch. You got cabinets behind the bed area there. It does have the TV hookup. You mount a TV on this cabinet here. So rear kitchen, 2-burner stove, stainless sink, microwave, big fridge, propane furnace, air conditioning. Does have a sink and a vanity in the bathroom. Corner shower. It does have a cabinet behind the toilet here. Walk-through door. Fantastic fan as well. Still smells new. The horse box still smells like the rubber mats. Pocket door. Good size closet here. The bathroom. (2020) Lakota C39 Charger Edition. Okay, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. You guys have a great day.